Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we will see what can be the next or tomorrow's expiry, monthly expiry. Okay, so we can see over here, as I keep on talking, market is trading in a range. Okay, so we can draw some box pattern over here, right? So on 15-minute candle we can definitely draw this kind of box. What it suggests for us, this yesterday's low, that is 17,163 167, that is a key level to watch out for. Okay, if we skid below that, then there will be a possibility of gap fill, because there is a gap we can see over here, right? Pending gap, which is the level is 17,100. Okay, so that's the level we are looking for, means the turn into bounce side. So it may come down over here and then it can go upside. Okay, that's the first probability. So this gap is very, very important for us now. Okay, and if we see on the 5-minute candle, on the 5-minute candle, last half an hour selling was a killer one, because that was not expected in the market was trading in this particular range. Okay, we can draw this trend line, and we can see it has broken this particular trend line, and it came down sharply. So the trend is definitely on the stable side right now still, but still this last half an hour selling made bears on upper hand side. Okay, so bears, you can say bears can take a action, come in the action if they able to cross this yesterday's low, that is 17,163. That's the important level. And if it let's say it breaks that particular level, then the first target that comes up is break. If we are able to break the yesterday's low, then the first target that is coming up is 17,120 to 17,100. Okay, 106 to be exact. So this gap fill is very, very much possible tomorrow. And on the below that as well, the next support that comes up is the 1720. That's the next support. So on the downside we have couple of support over here, so it will not be one-sided drop in the Nifty or market, unless there is any news based on the Omicron. But yeah, on the support side, 17,100 and then 17,000 will be the support. If we see on the open interest chart as well, this 17,200 has huge P rating, so that is why today it was acted as a support for some time. But after that, there are put writing at all the places, like 17,100, 17,150, and also at the 17,000. If we see, there is a huge put writing available. Okay, so 17,000 definitely will act as a support. At the max, what will happen if 17,000 is also broken, then expiry can be around 17,000. It can drag towards 16,980, and then it will end at the 17,000. That's the one of the possibility. But upper side, if we see, definitely we have to cross this upper channel, right? This box, which is that level 17,250, that needs to cross, and it needs to sustain over there, right? So as I keep on saying, it needs to sustain over here in this area. Then there will be couple of resistance on the upper side as well. This 17,300, 320, that will be the first resistance, and then after that 17,360, 380, that will be the next level of resistance for us in the market. So Nifty, we have clear trend today. Tomorrow, if it is breaking yesterday's low, that is 17,160, we should think of a put side. Okay, try to go neutral. That's why I don't carry any position in the overnight, especially on the expiry day, monthly expiry at 2. So 17,163 is key level to watch out. Okay, below that, we upside we need to close above 17,250. Okay, Bank Nifty now. As well, I have drawn this box pattern in a daytime, and there was a trend line that I have drawn, and it has broken the trend line very badly in the last half an hour, and it has given a sharp dip towards 35,000, and it made in the daytime there was a back box pattern, and there was a trend line, and when it broke very badly, and it gave almost 300 points, means 35,200 to 34 900 890 to be specific. That was the fall we saw in the Bank Nifty, right? So let's look at the levels for tomorrow. It's quite clear for us, right? So on the upper side, we have to cross this box, which is upper range is 35,280. We need to cross that particular thing to see more on the bounce side. And in that case, on the bounce side, we have clear targets of 35,500, right? Because it has a huge put writing, call writing. So 35,580 to 35,550, that will be the first target. And after that, the next target will be this 35,900. Okay, that will be the next target, but which is looking quite impossible right now. But no, never knows, we this is a market and it can bounce in that direction as well. So let's see the open interest for Bank Nifty. Yeah, 35,000 straddle has been sold a lot. Okay, and 35,000 call writing also took place. So call writing took place from 35,000 to 35,100, 35,200, and all the way. And put writing is also there at 35,000 and 34,900. So there are straddles sold in the Bank Nifty. So yeah, that's what we are coming to. Means from the support perspective, today's low will be, because yesterday's low it has already broken, right? In case of Nifty, it is still holding the yesterday's low, but Bank Nifty is more on the weaker side, right? We can anyway see that. So this 34,900 is the level, okay, which is most important level for Bank Nifty. If it breaks tomorrow, then we may see pressure in the Bank Nifty and it can drag towards this level, 34,700, 600 to 700 level. So this is the level, okay, because it has already tested this here, here, then over here also. So 4,600 will be 34,600 to 34,700 will be crucial level for Bank Nifty from support perspective, and it should take support in this particular area. But what we can see is for the upside, it need to cross 35,280. That time only we can see some more bounce, because it has already hit this particular area. Like how many times? See, this area it has touched 35,200 to 300, and in this area almost 7 attempts it has already made, right? So for any upside, it need to sustain in this particular area, then only it can go on the upside. Until and unless it is not broken, it always keep on giving some sharp moves on the downside. And for a downside support, we can see multiple support. As I said, this 34,900 is critical one, and then after that 34,600 will be the support for us. So Bank Nifty, we have clear cut trends today. For tomorrow we have clear cut trends for tomorrow. 34,900 if brokes, then we can initiate a put side, okay, and targets will be 34,700 to 34,600, and on the upside it needs to 280 to be specific. Okay, so it needs to cross this particular level, then only we can think of a bounce set. So we have clear cut picture now in Nifty and Bank Nifty both. Stay safe, and tomorrow is a monthly expiry, so don't go with huge quantity in options.